In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist Nordvpn on your computer. Whitelisting Nordvpn is an essential step to ensure you have an uninterrupted and secure browsing experience. It allows the VPN software to function correctly without being interfered with by your computer's firewall or antivirus software. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. Let's start by configuring Windows Firewall to allow NordVPN. First, press the Windows key and S on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open the search bar on your Windows system. Type in Windows Defender Firewall and you should see it pop up in the search results. Go ahead and open it. Once you're inside the Windows Defender Firewall settings, look on the left hand side for Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. This section will show you all the applications that are currently permitted through the firewall. Now direct your attention to the top of this window where you'll find the Change Settings button. Click on it to enable the options we need to modify. With the settings now unlocked, find the Allow Another App button near the bottom. Clicking this will allow us to add new programs to our firewall exceptions. A new window labelled Add an App will appear. Here, click Browse and navigate to where NordVPN is installed on your computer. By default, it is usually installed in the C program, Files, NordVPN directory. Once there, look for the file named NordVPN.exe. Select this file and click Add. You should now see NordVPN listed among the applications on the previous screen. Ensure that both private and public checkboxes next to NordVPN.exe are ticked. This guarantees that NordVPN can establish secure connections, whether you're on a private or public network. And that's it for the firewall section. But we're not entirely done just yet. Now let's move on to configuring your antivirus software to permit NordVPN. Open up your antivirus application. Depending on the software, the next steps might vary slightly, but we'll aim for the general process that should work across most platforms. Look for settings or a menu that says something like Exclusions, Whitelist, or Allowed Apps. Within this section, there should be an option to add new items. Here, you'll want to add the NordVPN folder or specific executable files, just like we did with the firewall settings. This step is crucial as it prevents your antivirus from mistakenly blocking NordVPN's attempts to form VPN tunnels, or worse, entirely stopping the app from running. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully whitelisted NordVPN in both your Windows Firewall and antivirus software. This process should significantly reduce connectivity issues and improve your overall VPN experience. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.